Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your existing account on the Bolt Driver app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Bolt Driver application on your device. And if you haven't signed up or logged in already, you will see the login and sign up button. Tap on the login button to log into your existing account, and now you have two different methods to log in. You can either use your phone number or your email address or username. If you choose your phone number, just type in your phone number after selecting your country code and tap on the continue button, and you will be asked to enter the verification code that has been sent to you by SMS. Just enter this code within the given screen, and once you proceed forward, you will be logged into your account right away. If you choose email or username, you can type in either one of these and then click on the continue button, and you will be asked to enter your account password. After entering your account password, just click on the login button and you will be logged into your account. If you have forgotten your password, you can click on the forgot password button and you will be sent the instructions to reset your credentials. You can also tap on email me a login link if you wish to log in without using your password. Once you log in through either of these methods, you will be taken into your homepage for Bolt Driver right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on a Bolt Driver app. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.